Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a robotic rumble that's going to knock your socks off. In the left corner, weighing in at a hefty $869, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. And in the right corner, priced at a slightly lighter $799, it's the Roborock Qrevo S. Let's dive into this vacuum showdown. Alright, let's get the ball rolling with the price. The Q7 Max Plus comes in at a cool $869. Now, I don't know about you, but for that price, it better be able to clean my house and give me life advice. On the other hand, the Qrevo S is priced at $799. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, or, a whole $70, the Qrevo S has your back. Next up, the docking station. The Q7 Max Plus boasts a 2.5L dust bag that can store up to 7 weeks of debris. That's right, 7 weeks of not having to think about vacuuming. Perfect for the lazy bones in all of us. But wait, the Qrevo S fires back with a multifunctional dock. Not only does it empty itself, but it also washes its own mop and dries it with hot air. It's like having a vacuum with a built-in spa day. Plus, the 5L water tank means it can cover up to 4305 SQFT of mopping. That's like mopping a small mansion. On to the suction power. The Q7 Max Plus flexes with a mighty 4,200 Pascal suction. It'll suck up everything from pet hair to that popcorn you dropped during movie night. But the Qrevo S takes it to a whole new level with a whopping 7,000 Pascals suction. That's right, 7,000 Pascals. It'll probably suck up your soul if you get too close. Seriously though, this baby means business. Now, let's talk mopping. The Q7 Max Plus offers twin cleaning power, vacuuming and mopping simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. It's like the multitasking ninja of robot vacuums. Meanwhile, the Qrevo S sports dynamic dual spinning mops that spin at 200 RPM. From soda spills to dried-on messes, this thing is ready to tango. Plus, it has 30 adjustable water flow levels too. It's like the Qrevo S saw the Q7 Max Plus and said, "Anything you can do, I can do better." Navigation and mapping, super important for a robot vacuum. The Q7 Max Plus uses PressaSense LiDAR navigation, creating precise maps of your home and even allowing you to add furniture and floor materials virtually. You can basically build a Sims house with this thing. But the Qrevo S steps up with precision obstacle avoidance using reactive tech, along with PressaSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping. It's like having a mini NASA rover cleaning your floors. Plus, it supports multi-level mapping for up to 4 levels. Perfect for those of you living in a castle or just really tall houses. Lastly, let's talk app control. The Q7 Max Plus offers smart functions, but the Qrevo S, oh boy. It's got advanced app control with AI algorithms, temporary cleaning, skipping, tailored carpet strategies, and intelligent restricted areas. It's like the Qrevo S went to robot college and graduated with honors. Reviewers praise both products for their excellent cleaning capabilities and advanced features. The Q7 Max Plus is lauded for its strong suction, effective navigation, and user-friendly app, though some find it a bit loud and expensive. On the other hand, the Qrevo S receives high marks for its superior suction power, self-cleaning mop, and advanced app controls, making it a favorite among those seeking convenience and advanced technology in their cleaning routines. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus, and the Roborock Qrevo S. Both fantastic in their own right, but with some distinct differences. Whether you want the ultimate suction power of the Qrevo S or the twin cleaning prowess of the Q7 Max Plus, the choice is yours. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the ultimate cleaning champion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next product showdown. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.